Let's make some spicy arrabbiata spaghetti today. We'll need some tomatoes, 1 bulb of garlic and 1 small onion, and obviously some spaghetti. Peel and slice like 70% of the garlic and keep the rest 30% to be blended with the tomatoes. We'll add everything to a blender and turn it into a puree. Dice the onion finely. Take some olive oil in a pan. I'm adding some chili oil as well for extra flavor and extra heat. Now add the diced onion and the sliced garlic. Cook them until they are brown. Then add the tomato puree with the garlic and mix it all well. To a pot of boiling salted water, add your spaghetti. By the time the pasta cooks, we'll work on our sauce. If it dries up, add some pasta water. Keep cooking the sauce for the flavor to develop. Add some black pepper and red chili flakes. You can adjust the chilies according to your spice tolerance. I'm adding a lot since we like it spicy. I'm also gonna add some pizza seasoning. You can use mixed dried herbs instead and add a little garlic powder for flavor. When the pasta is nearly al dente, add some sweet corn. It just needs a few minutes in the boiling water. Drain your pasta when it's about 80% cooked and it still has a bite to it. Add it to the sauce now. Mix it thoroughly with 2 forks so that each noodle is coated with the sauce. At this point, add some salt and adjust the rest of the seasonings according to taste. Then add some flat leaf parsley or cilantro for garnishing. This beautiful pasta is completely coated in sauce now and ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.